Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you with valuable life skills. In today's video, we are going to share powerful strategies that will help you gain instant respect from anyone you encounter. Whether you're in a professional setting, social gathering, or anywhere else, these insights will give you the tools to command respect and establish yourself as a remarkable individual. Section 1. Self-confidence. The foundation of respect starts with self-confidence. When you believe in yourself, others will naturally be drawn to your presence. Here's what you can do to boost your self-confidence. Maintain positive body language, stand tall, make eye contact, and have a firm handshake. These small gestures signify confidence and will leave a positive impression on others. Dress appropriately. Dressing well not only shows respect for yourself, but it also commands respect from others. Dress in a way that matches the occasion and conveys professionalism. Speak with conviction. Express your thoughts clearly and assertively. Avoid mumbling or using wishy-washy language. Remember, confidence is key. Section 2. Active listening and empathy. To gain respect from others, you must also show respect. This can be accomplished through active listening and empathy. Give your undivided attention. When someone is speaking, focus on them completely. Avoid interruptions and distractions. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Practice empathy. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. Show understanding and validate their feelings. This will create a sense of connection and mutual respect. Section 3. Demonstrate competence and knowledge. Another key aspect of gaining respect is by demonstrating competence and knowledge in your field. Here's how you can do it. Continuously improve. Stay up to date with the latest information, trends, and developments related to your field. Attend workshops, read books, and engage in ongoing learning. This will showcase your dedication and expertise. Share your knowledge. Don't hesitate to share your knowledge and insights with others. Offer guidance and support when appropriate. By demonstrating your competence, you will earn the respect of those around you. Section 4. Be authentic and ethical. Respecting others means being true to yourself and acting ethically. Be genuine. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not. Authenticity is key to gaining long-lasting respect. Be true to your values, beliefs, and principles. Maintain integrity. Act with integrity in all situations. Be honest, transparent, and reliable. When others see you as a person of integrity, they will naturally respect you. Conclusion. Gaining instant respect is within your reach. By cultivating self-confidence, practicing active listening and empathy, demonstrating competence, and being authentic and ethical, you will command respect from anyone you encounter. Remember, respect is earned through consistent actions and positive interactions. Make sure to incorporate these strategies into your daily life and watch as others respond to you with admiration and respect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.